Hey everyone, my name is Josh Kroenke. Yeah, just like the owner of the Denver Nuggets. But I'm not into basketball or management, and I'm definitely not a billionaire. What I do know is cars, and that's exactly what I talk about on this channel. All right, enough with the intro. Let's get into today's topic.
Then static in the radio 2. Yellow sparking 3. Trouble starting the car. What is a starting capacitor? A starting capacitor is an electrical capacitor that alters the current in one or more windings of a single-phase AC induction motor by creating a rotating magnetic field. As the name implies, the starting capacitor performs the function of making these devices turn on once they are connected to the power. By increasing the initial torque so that the motor can be turned on and off quickly, creating the rotating magnetic field that induces a voltage. How many types of starting capacitor are there? The two most common types are the starting capacitor and the dual-stroke capacitor. The unit of capacitance of these capacitors is the microfarad. Older capacitors may be labeled with the obsolete terms MFD or MFD, which also stands for microfarad. What is the function of the starting capacitor? The function of the starting capacitor is to support the ignition of the car by holding a small amount of current. The main task of the capacitor is to act as a ground for the electrical charge, preventing the electrodes from sparking together. Symptoms of a bad starter capacitor 1. Then static in the radio stations that you normally hear clearly will now be very difficult to distinguish and will drop out of tune abruptly. Since sparking only occurs with the engine running, the radio will operate normally when the engine is off and only the battery is running. If the capacitor is malfunctioning, you can sometimes tell by watching the motor run at idle. The tip cap should be off and some motors won't run without it, but if the capacitor is failing, you'll probably see a big yellow spark jump between the two contact points. 3. Trouble starting the car. Starter button. In conclusion, the starting capacitor plays a crucial role in the ignition system of your car, ensuring that the engine starts smoothly and efficiently when you turn the key or push the button. Understanding its function can help you appreciate the intricate workings of your vehicle and the importance of maintaining all components for optimal performance. Regular checks and timely replacements can prevent starting issues and keep your car running reliably. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insights into automotive technology.